All right, so I tried it like a couple seconds ago, minutes ago, to go live, but the audio wasn't working. It wasn't like connecting. So this is the second stream of today, and the last stream was, I want to say, like almost, yeah, it's been a long time. It's been 3 days ago, but that's fine. During that time, I was working on something else on a different extension. So I want to continue on from where we were and what we'll be doing in this stream. So as you can see, I have I guess a sound repository open as freesound.org where you can find sounds and upload sounds and, you know, use them. I think most of them are either Creative Commons license zero, so you can do whatever you want with the sound, or just some just require attribution as long as it's not some require attribution, some are like let's say you could use it, but you can't use it for commercial purposes or whatever. That's fine. So, anyways, one thing I just did like maybe an hour ago is I'm trying to like finalize whatever the fields that we want to be able to save and store. Well, for mostly naming purposes, like right now, I re- I renamed this to I think amount from intake everywhere. So in today's store, in settings store, I just renamed it to amount. It's easier to just consider as amount instead of intake, especially if I ever branch out into, I guess, internationalization. I think maybe amount is easier to translate in other languages than intake. And I'm thinking of removing this altogether, measurement. Uh, at least for like the first few releases, I don't know. I'm thinking about maybe later on and get adding presets so you could have like a cup means like if you drink a cup of coffee, maybe a cup like the like routines, like a cup of coffee from like somewhere. Maybe it just means 100 milliliters. An espresso is 100 milliliters, and that's what you consider. Something like that. I don't know. Any form of liquid that you want to set as a preset. So on this screen, you can just click the preset you want coffee. Then it just fills, updates it based on it. And maybe you can, yeah, you can be able to show instead of just water breaks, to just be show um you click something like this. Okay, well that's not supposed to be there. Oh, okay, no, sorry. This because I didn't clear this since I updated state values in the background and in my stores, like amount, I changed those, all those. I never reset the store, right? The store value is currently still using intake for logs and stuff for the default amount value. So what I will have to do, I don't know if I reloaded this. Let me see if I go to the Chrome extensions, clear all, set, and I probably need to, yeah, I have to clear the stores just to reset everything. Storage dot go. got clear, and that should fix everything right now. I think, yeah. And after the default value to 250, because let's make that default instead of 100 milliliters. All right, and everything else should still be good. Let's say I put this at maybe 2 o'clock. I drank, let's say 400. I'm thirsty boy, maybe thirsty man. Okay. I drank 500 milliliters. Yeah. So everything's still working good. This I might remove for now because I want to, well, for today, what I want to do is add the sounds. I think this enabled. I don't know if I did change that. Enable still there. I don't know. We'll have to see. Go to settings, maybe I change something here. No. Yeah, I don't think. I don't know why that is like that. That's fine. If it shows up again, we'll take a second look at it. All right, so the focus right now is going to be on yeah, okay, so it's adding sound notifications, alert types. So if I go alarm, I guess, or maybe I'm gonna change this alarm. No, alarm is fine. So if I change to alarm or both, I want to be able to play a sound for it, right? And that means I only want to really actually show the sound option. Do I always want to show it or no? Yeah, I guess I could always show it. I want to see if I want to show both. Because if I want to actually show this field, it'll be a similar select, and you select a sound. But do I want to show it when it's none and just disable it, or do I want to show when it's yeah? Maybe I'll show it and then just have it disabled unless I'd have to write like something only possible if alert type is alarm or both. Yeah, and I'll remove this for now. I don't know if I need this to be like scrollable, or even if I need this enabled portion. Or the padding above it. Let's see what it looks like. Let's just try playing around with it. We'll get to the sound files afterwards, but we can just build what we want first. So currently, let me just save all this first. I think it's mostly about updating the intake, renaming intake to yeah. All right, so let me close the unnecessary stuff. So we'll focus on the settings screen right now. Settings. All right, so we have measurement. I'm gonna comment it out for now. Just want to see how it looks like. We don't really need it. Okay. Okay, great. That means that gives us options. We don't have it because I like kind of like the spacing, or maybe not. Like this spacing is huge compared to, or is it the same? I can't really tell. From here to here, it's different from here to here. Is there a reason for that? Goal, start time, end time. You have a gap. This has a gap. Have a padding. Oh, padding of gap for justify between gap. Yeah, I'm trying to understand why. It's the same amount, I think. Yeah, it looks the same. Same amount of spacing. It just seems like it's larger. Whatever. Okay, let's not worry about it too much. It's evenly spaced. Okay. Okay. So I have alert type, and then let's have the same, I guess, kind. And let's sound. And okay, yeah, so that means I need a sound state, really. And it's going to be based on these values. Let's see. Kind of like the sonar, I mean the echo, but I think I'm gonna just focus on if I include the echo type, I guess sound, then I would need to have like three separate kinds, like keep a nautical theme, aquatic theme, but then I have to have like three distinct sounds, but like it's all collecting more. But like if I focus on bubbles, bubble, bubble, and then like bubble here, or that one's pretty long, maybe this one. That's three unique, I guess. Yeah, maybe I'm just having like bubble one. We'll stick with three sounds, but Yeah, so we'll have three different sounds. I guess we'll also have a default. Um, okay, sorry. If I have an alert type, I kind of want to have this centered first. Why is it not centered? Uh, is that centered? It kind of looks like it, but not really. Oh no, it's this one. Is that centered? Yeah, I guess. That too. All right, sound. Yeah, okay. So let's go and add I guess, a sound. Okay. So if I go to store settings, let's add a sound. And sound would just be, I guess, yeah, just make it a string. I know I'm not really strict on it being bubble one, bubble two, bubble three, or whatever. So let's place it right here. And the default value would be um, yeah, bubble one. It's going to be an MP3 value. So bubble one's the default. Let me see. Let me try this again. Bubble one. Which one would I like? Let me see. No, I don't like that as much. That sounds bubble one, or this one's kind of nice and soft. Yeah, I know for sure it's not gonna be that one. It's either this one or this one. All right, one, two, three. Maybe that's in bubble one. Okay, yeah. Whatever one we want to save it as. Right. Okay. And then we have. Let's go to our background. I mean, so when we set it up, settings, have the default sound be bubble one. Okay. So we have. Oh, okay. Bubble two, bubble three. All right. So since we have that, I kind of want to be able to play the audio just to be able to test it out, right? And let me remove some of this maybe. What is this padding top? Why is this 6? Did I change anything? Oh no, I'm in the wrong area, so let's not worry about this. Site settings. This is the weird. So you have padding top 4 and gap between them is 4. Yeah, okay, that's fine. It's maybe just because. Yeah, it's either I make this smaller or I remove some of this. I either maybe remove the enabled even completely from that. Or maybe, yeah, that's kind of good. Just remove some of the margin there. You see how deep this is from here to here, but it's based off of this, really. It makes it seem like, okay, let me maybe do the same thing here, or maybe decrease the gap. This doesn't really need a gap, does it? Like this one didn't change anything. Yeah, I don't know why I have the gap. Oh, man. Okay, that's fine. So really, I want to be able to play the sound, right? So someone can preview it. But yeah, why wasn't showing that? Whatever. So I want to be able to preview this. So if I click level 1, I should be able to preview it. We add it right beside it or somewhere here. And where it says goal, let me make it to daily goal. Can fit, yeah, daily goal. And ooh, do I want to line them all up? Yeah, let's line them up. Start time, text. Yeah, I don't know. I have text and oh, okay, maybe that's just why. Uh, no, that's only. What did I change? Oh no, this is at the end. It would already always start at the end anyway. Ooh, or maybe not. Do I want it to be like that? Yeah, maybe. I mean, maybe that is fine. Start time and end time. Let's have it the same thing. Oops. Whatever. and have it start. Uh, it kind of works. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, and the amount, send the amount. Um, I'll probably just add this auto input class really. Yeah, let me just go to input class. Input class PX. Why do I have that? Okay, maybe adding left two. Yeah. Let's do it like that. Yeah, that's fine. Looks good. Okay. Oh, this. Where is the amount? Let me fix this as well. No, not on the type. Amount. Let's remove this text. Yeah, okay. All right, so I have bubbles. I don't know if I need the pound sign. Let me just add bubble one, bubble two, bubble three. No, I kind of like that half. All right, so we have that. Now what? Yeah, okay, so, okay. Hmm. Okay, so I wanted a sound button, really. So let's place in a div and uh, let's have a button. Um, it'll be an icon, so it doesn't really need anything. Let's have it maybe just play right now. And then when you click, um, play sound. let's have a function play sound. So to play sound, I need to know the current value of. Oh, I just need to know the current value of this, which is it should be fine. Settings.sound and sound file would be um, something like let me see. I could use okay. I think I could use Chrome for runtime. A URL. Let's say it's like audio, and then wait, it would be the name of the sound file. Settings.sound. That makes sense. And it's just going to be an MP3 file. And then once we have the file, we can audio would be equals new audio. And then the source, okay, sound source. Call this called source instead of file. Or just call it source. Yeah, I kind of prefer using the whole word. And then, so audio.play. Yeah, I think so. I'll need an audio sound, or what's it called? Yeah, a folder for my audio. Would that be public, or do we have anything there except for that favicon, which I don't even need anymore, which I should not use. I could probably delete it. Let me see. Let's see what how do I assets goes to where does this feed? Oh, just shows up there. Yeah, so maybe here is where I adding my audio files. Does that work? 'Cause if it's on when it's distributed, it just shows up as public. I don't know what that is. I don't know. All right, so I'm thinking maybe we put it in public. Create an audio folder and put it in public. We'll see. So let's add audio or sound. Let's call it just sound. Sounds maybe, yeah. So now we're going to download these, and these are, I think, all WAV files. But I, based on my experience with Chorus, I think what's it called? when you upload it to the Chrome store, or I guess when you zip it up, it will get compressed at least, so it'll make it smaller. Because I think I used some of the sounds from some of the presets I had in chorus from here. I think maybe a couple of them, or maybe not. I can't remember any of these. Or I'll have to update quite some of these. Yeah, I don't remember. Or at least these are I bookmarked to use for course. I don't know if I actually ended up using any of them. So only have I might have got it from a different source on GitHub. So anyways, let's go back to waterlogged. Okay, I'm going to download. Which one should I say? Only need three, and then I think I'm going to convert them into MP3 files because they're a smaller size. What did I say? Okay, let's download this one. How do I download the right? Okay. No, okay. How do I download it? Yeah, see this I probably then didn't use any of these. If I can even if I don't remember where yeah, how to or where to download from. Let me go here, open a new tab and see. This will download okay, download sound. All without any password. Yeah, what does Creative Commons mean? Yeah, okay, whatever. But I'll create them regardless on the repo and in the Chrome store. That's why I bookmarked it. So I don't forget. There's not like just downloading off the internet and somewhere else. All right, so download this sound. It's not really that bad. 37. Maybe I just keep it as a WAV file. Okay, I downloaded that one. And I wanted, I think, this one. And that one's kind of long. And I wanted this one. Confirm, then download. Okay, this one requires the upgrade of the output sound. That's fine. Uh, it has 9 bubbles. Let me see what kind of sounds. Yeah, some of this is sound good, but some of them are too long or too quick. Yeah, that one's kind of sharp. See, this is the one I used even. Maybe I might not even use it. kind of, did I download this one? Oh, it shows that 3 and Bubbles 03. Kilo, okay. Yeah, I have that downloaded. Yeah, this is large compared to, yeah, so I might have to. Okay, so I have, what's it called? Convert, have to convert wave to MP3. And, I think I've used this before. So let me select multi-selector. Volume, make audio louder or quieter. No, no, I don't need to trim. Yeah, I think everything just sounds as good as it is. But they're not even that long anyway. I think they're mostly like half a second, except for this one. Ooh, maybe if I could trim it to like, where is this at? Where do I want it to end then? Oh, wait a minute. How come this seems like it's not an MP3? Do they get downloaded as MP3? Dot wave, dot wave, dot wave. No, dot AIF. Okay, maybe that might be a problem. Let's go back and see if there's another option. I think this is the Bubbles 03. Maybe I. No, I don't want any of this. Oh man, thinking that everything was good. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't think it matters. The starting value. Okay. So this is the Bubbles 03. I think this is the one I have to maybe change to like, oh no, I can't even put half a second, hour, minute, seconds. Oh, whatever. It's only like half a second of sound. Okay, let me just see what else is in store. Oh, great. Let's go back to um, and let's see if he has one that's like a second. No. No, okay, let's go back to like 2 seconds max. It's probably one of these sounds that it's. Oh, it doesn't even show up as one of the sounds. Oh no. Okay, let's just get it working and then we'll come back and whatever try to see if we can maybe use different sounds. Yeah, download. Wait, how is it to say? Okay, let's see. This was, yeah, 265 to 37. Okay, that's fine. That's 8.9. Okay, we'll have to see how it sounds like. Because some of them are already starting off as small files. So I got all three. Um, downloads. Yeah, it doesn't really change the sound too much. So this, how do I trim the sound? What? Great. It's not playing. Why doesn't it play? Okay. All right. I could probably use FFmpeg. I'm not gonna write that program right now. But it's back to back to back. But this is not. Oh, okay. So we have two sounds, which is, let's go with two. I know I can't be. And oh, where is it? Oh, I already closed Finder. Downloads. I like this one as the first option. So let's move this to. Can I just drag it all the way to here? Or probably not. But I can drag it to what? I can't drag it. Can I drag it here to sounds? Where did it end up now? Nope. I don't think that. Um, but did it end up in sounds or no? No sounds empty. Yeah, I'll just drag it to. Let me rename them first. Rename. I think I put this as bubble two. let's rename this as bubble one. Okay, so let me see into downloads and move what's it called? Yeah, move bubble.mp3 to learn waterlog. Is it in source? Public and sounds. Yeah, okay. I think that should be it. And I should be able to see it here. I have two sounds. Okay, fine. So then let's go back to settings and let's remove option 3 for now. Don't really need too much values, really. All right, so great, now it's going. Yeah, I don't get why I can't just pin it always to show like. So I don't need this to be. I don't care about it showing this or anything. Or downloads view. I don't care. Or even this. I don't use profiles here. I don't know why it's showing me extra stuff. All I really need is just this bar, I guess. And how do I remove that? Don't know. All right, so there's a button somewhere here. Oops. Yeah, there's wrong there. Because no supported source was found. No supported source. Okay. Oh, okay. This is okay. Let me show the button for real. Let's add some flash to the buttons. We have button class equals. Let's put like width of 8, height. Oh, it might be too tall. Width 6, maybe height 6. I don't know how. And background. Let's go background white. Okay, we have play. And let's look at the source. Yeah, let's not play it. Let's just log the source and see if it's right or incorrect, right or wrong. And we can call inspect. So if I click play, oops, let me reserve the logs. Otherwise, it just clears it all together and restarts the app, I think. Oh, it's still okay. Source, Chrome extension, audio, bubble1.mp3. I mean, it makes sense in bubble1.mp3, you know? Okay, let me reload this and see and look into our dist folder. That's the one that's used inside here. So if I go, oh, it's okay. There's sounds. Oh, it was sounds. Sorry, my bad. I see the sounds. Okay, great. It's still Aaron, but at least one part of it is something something sounds bubble one. Okay, but why the sources? Mm, I'm trying to see where this I'm failing. This. If I go to this folder, I have sounds. Now, sounds. Bubble one, bubble two. So I should be able to play it. I don't know. I mean, just logging it all together just removes. Yeah, I don't know why it's causing it to navigate to a different. Oh, wait a minute. It'll be mp3.mp. No, that's still it. Um. Oh, maybe that was it. Okay. It looks like. Okay, bubble one, bubble one. So if I use that as a source, there. And if I switch this to bubble two, and then play. Wait, still the same. Is it not updating the sound? Bubble one. No, it's the same sound. Okay. Is it showing you the same sound? Bubble one, bubble one. Oh, wait, it's not detecting as change, right? Okay. All right, so play sound. So I save this, right? On change handle input. Let me see something. So com dot storage dot local dot get let's go settings. Oh, okay, see. Okay, so settings I have the alert type. No, okay, then that's off. the sound is over one, alert time is over one, which doesn't make sense. Okay, I think that's an issue. So settings not sound, settings not alert type. Why would it be changing that value? Oh no, okay, this the name. Okay, yeah, we'll just copy from here to here. Okay, that's over one. Okay, there it is. All right, so we have that solved. So we can preview it. And let me, let's go around it full. And let's remove the sound. And let's go to iconify or something. Iconify. And let's get a play button. Play icon really. Or maybe just have audio button, volume button. Yeah, let's have this. And have it throughout. Oh, why is it so long? Okay, can I use a PNG file? No. These are all the only. Okay. No, I didn't want simple. Okay, let's quantify. And let me search volume. Oh, no. Let's go back. Let's go to icons. Why is that the keyword? Oh, here. Okay. Filter icon says no. I guess the volume. Or sound, maybe. Is there something like a preview? No, let's go sound. And let's go. I want something light, maybe. Material symbols light. Um, if it's this one, let's see how it looks. Yeah, whatever. If it's kind of rounded, maybe. Yeah, let's go with this. Or should it blend in? I mean, most of them have been solid so far. That one's kind of okay. And it's already on a background, like solid blue background. So maybe it should be Um, just an outline. Let's see. Let's just see. We have two options really. Uh, let's try the volume. Man, I don't know. Try maybe audio. Let's see. I don't know if that dictates any better or indicates better. So this is the original one, right? The path is no, the path is doesn't seem that huge now. Yeah. Oh, but it's is that the rotation? Hmm. Oh, I could probably rotate it, but it doesn't matter how it's rotated really. So let me copy this first. And let's see how it looks. And here we always remove this. And I think we use maybe the class instead with 6, height 6. Maybe I'll use icon somewhere else right at the top of the page. Maybe it's smaller. It should be smaller. And it probably won't be this current color because otherwise you just blend into the background. But yeah, not save it. Button background white. Dang, why is it wrong extension shown? Okay, let me put it maybe at the end. Wait a minute. Why is it still keep showing? Pretty sure I saved this. Play. Oh, good. Maybe it's not reloading now. Uh, okay, there it is. Okay. Now let's decrease this to 5. And let's make this maybe 4. It should be smaller. Nope. Um, okay. Maybe I don't need a background button because it seems just weird. I did just disappeared. Okay, let's make this maybe fail to be white. Now, so what should it be? Why would it show up on like whatever? Yeah, I'm gonna have to revisit this background color because it's all right. So this background is one half, and justify. We don't want justify between. I want to start at the beginning. I'm just gonna add like a margin left on this, or margin right, really. So separate them a little bit. Maybe four is too big. Maybe it's gotta be just like two. And it's gotta be some indication that you could click on it. So that's why it kind of needs to. Kind of needs like a background around it. Oh wait a minute. The SVG is bigger than the button. Why is that? Yeah, yeah, maybe background white is not too bad. The only issue is it's not centered within the button. Oh, there it is. Okay, so oh, voila, we have it. So I guess we're almost like done. Okay, we have that now. Okay, so and this is let's go mouse event, and we have mostly everything done. I'm gonna remove this measurement. We can bring it back later if we want to, but for now, let's just remove it. So and the audio. Maybe this should be a util. Because okay, let's test something out. No, let's save this first. I don't know what this means. Yeah, whatever. We'll go back. No, no. All right, so get add public. Oh wait, while I'm there, let me remove this read.svg file. Or does it get removed? No, that's. Oh wait, this wasn't being tracked. Oh, I guess maybe it wasn't because the SVG file inside of it was something else being tracked. Let me see. Try to go to GitHub. Autolog. Let's see if there was. Yeah, I know there's a public folder. All right. So git add public feature add sounds. Sound files. Okay, now what's different in background? I don't think I changed too much. Oh, okay. Git add background and it's really stores. Set default sound and set default. No, set default sound value or settings. And settings or settings. And then this is basically, yeah, we'll say it's just basically, we could like individually, like say, oh, we added a form input for sound and some of the previous, like updating the input class, renaming some form field, whatever stuff, but it's not a really concern. Add sound form field. Whatever, yeah. So we have that. So now on the alarm, let's go to background. Let's go back to background. I kind of commented this out. Okay, that's something I'm gonna have to come back to it. The way this reloader works for in developer mode, this gets called multiple times. The welcome message gets called like every time. I guess when my computer falls asleep or something, it opens up, it gets called again because this thing gets reloaded. I guess maybe there's like an on startup event that's being listened for, like when the computer sleeps and then wakes up, it just keeps getting called welcome because maybe All the state, I don't know. I don't believe all the state is reset, but just I don't like this being called while in develop mode. So I'm gonna comment it out for now until maybe we have push a release. If I remember, some people won't get a welcome message then maybe at that point. But so what did I want to do? This is something else too. Wait, what a minute. Oh, this is wrong. Today is the 21st. Okay, what's going on? Yeah, this is an issue. But today's the 21st, and this is values for the 20th, right? Right now it's 12:10 a.m. on Friday, and this is the date is correct, but these log values for what is it called? For the previous day, even this. So I need a timer or an alarm. I guess I either need to watch when this changes and then reload this, or maybe just have an alarm for every day. See if the yeah, I kind of need some kind of thing to indicate that it's a new day. When you click on yeah, okay, yeah. So on connect, if I have on connect, if the latest key, no, I guess current day. If there's no key for the current day in the store, then yeah, that's what I'll do. But let's not do that yet. Let's focus on the sound, making the sound first. So what do I want? Sound really has no bearing on so if the state changed, or would it? Go to my notifications class. I've got config. I don't have the sound. Okay, let me. Ugh, do I want? Okay. Yeah, it needs to know the sound too now. Maybe it's just easier to just get the state instead of. Oh, but that means that yeah. The only reason I didn't go down this path is because I don't want to be able to be getting the state every. This runs every what? Every minute, right? I have this set up to run every minute. So every minute I'm getting the state. Does that not sound bad? It doesn't sound crazy. I get call for the state every minute. This way I don't have to worry about updating this config and all these values. Yeah, how hard it would it be to just get this? Yeah, let me try. It doesn't seem like it's a big thing to just get it every minute. So if I call settings and I go like this async Yeah, I would want to get it every minute, I guess. Await, get, state, and it takes an array. Let's call it settings. If not settings, return, I guess. Otherwise, pull these values from settings. Instead of having to constantly update this. Let's see if it works. Oh well. So this is sometimes 8 a.m. Let's change this to 12, or I guess 0. And just every minute, let's just every minute. And let's console.log enabled and whatever. And let's pull out sound as well now. And let's go interval. Let's console log those three. Don't really need enabled. Let's go alert type. Look at settings, start time. Oh, this didn't change the start time. Why didn't I change start time? Here it shows that it's changed, but okay, notify sound. Yeah, okay, yeah, this is fine. Let me not worry about this. I made a big deal about it, but I don't need it. Every 1 minute is different than checking every second. So where am I using config? Type, yeah. Let's go back here. So let me not even worry about if okay. Yeah, maybe I worry about this, but changes. I don't need to update this. Yeah, I think that's basically it. There's missing a lot of types, but after a visit, it seems kind of complicated. Alert type, none. we'll come back to that. All right, so we have start timer, we have sound, okay. And sound really. So to play sound, wait, am I getting notifications? Okay, yeah, okay. See, when that changed the update the code, this all gets reset in development mode, but these values don't, but I don't know why this does. I'll have to look into that one. So I should still get notification if you're starting from 12 a.m. to 6 p.m. now. And notify is notify or whatever. Get notification in a minute at least. So I'm not gonna touch any code right now. Then we'll work into using the sound, attaching the sound if it's notify, alarm. No, I mean if it's alarm or both. Oh great, I don't even know if I have notifications showing for Chrome. Or we might just even pass that. It looks like we already passed a minute maybe, and no notification showed up. So we might not be getting notification at all. Um, yeah, okay, let's forget about that. All right, so let's focus on the sound then. So we have a notify, and let's play and play sound. I guess let's call it raise alarm, and it'll be the source or sound. And since it's going to be the same as whatever this is, we have in settings. The same function is really just getting the source and passing in. Let's make this a util. So you have utils, call it alarm. Can't see it. Alarm.ts. So export, oops, yeah, I guess export const play alarm, sound alarm. Yeah, let's call it sound, and then this would be sound. Yeah, for me, that already a constant. Oh, well, just no. I don't mind writing function. And sound is just a string. Cannot find. Oh, I already deleted this. All right, so let's go back to settings and let's import play alarm, play sound. That's what I called it. Play, play alarm. They not like us. Not like us. Okay, and here is where we would have the alarm. And we'll pass in settings. Yeah, I don't need that. I don't even really need this. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, I saw an alarm. So if I go play sound, I had some difficulties with this where you can pass in whatever the event modifier, but sometimes it doesn't seem to work in some cases. Like this, it should be able to pass it like this, so you don't have to write event.prevent default within the function. Play sound? Oh no, this is play alarm. Keep spelling alarm wrong. If I click this, okay, it's working there. Notifications. So I have play alarm and passing the sound, and it's a string as well. All right, I don't know if I even need it needs its own. Yeah, let's not worry about even. Let's just use it right within here. So if alert type, so you have if it's what's it called? If it's alert type is alarm or both. Alarm or both. Then you can play alarm and the sound value. That works, right? Oh yeah, this is supposed to be and. And notify, it's only if what? If I guess this is we notify if it's notify or both. Or yeah, I don't know. I don't need this comma. Okay. Or maybe I do. That's I forgot why, but it's alright. So we can try this now. It's probably already reset back to okay. Now why is this being reset? I have to get to the bottom of that. Okay, play the sound. Did it play the sound because I changed the value or we'll wait a minute and see if it plays it again at 12:31. Wait, it didn't play the sound. Don't believe. Because I saw a notification, but no sound. It's alarm or both. Oh, it's notified right now. Okay, let's go to both. Yeah, that makes sense. So let's go and wait. Now 12:32 maybe. It should show both. Something's off. I see the notification, but I don't hear the alarm. So if alarm or both, and I change it to both, it should play alarm. So what's wrong here? Sound, the sound. Is it because it's in the background? It can't play it if it's in the background? Let me see. Let me see. This is old. Audio is not defined. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. But how would I play it then? In notifier. Would I have to send like a message to the yeah, okay. That makes sense. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna see how to play the sound. Audio is not defined. Okay. How would I play it? Okay. Copy. Okay. Uh, okay. How? Inject the content script, which does the same thing as step one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this, I don't know. Maybe I have to send a message to a pop up to play it because audio it would not be defined in the background script, which is the notifier. But yeah, the back. um, Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to use the content script as whatever. Or inject it really. I don't have to create any. I'm gonna inject this script. So if I go to, still gonna make use of this. Let me see. Maybe I won't have to rewrite. So if I go, I have, oh no, this is the settings and notifications. So place alarm. So instead of notify, I have to actually play alarm or whatever. So I need play alarm, play sound, play audio. Oh, ugh, I am not good with this. Okay, sound. Let's go with play sound. And here's I inject Chrome dot scripting. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to add this permission. Execute script and target. I guess it's really all frames. True, maybe. Oh, do I now need? Okay, let me see. Do I need Chrome dot scripting dot execute script? No, details are area of arguments to files. Yeah, I'm looking at the target. Optional. Yes, I don't have a tab ID. Oh no, okay. Yeah, okay, so this will only work if you're injecting it into a content script, right? That's where it'll give you access to the tab ID. Since I don't have, no, I guess I could probably, I could still get tab ID, but from the, let me clear some of these. From, okay, Chrome dot get pop up maybe. Get, you can get the pop up, you can get the ID. The details included, the tab which pop up to get. Yeah, I guess you can get tab ID from there. So let's try again. Chrome.action dot get pop up details. All right, so we have the details. I don't really need most of these. What I really need is a tab ID. It gets details, an object with the following properties get pop up. Um, Yeah, let me just. I know. Okay. I promise I'll be fulfilled with a string containing the URL for the pop-ups document. Right. Okay, so it returns. So we get the details and pop-up. It returns a promise with a string containing the URL. All right. Do I even really need this? All I really need is the. Wait, what do you mean you can't find details? That is weird. Let me just see something. Um, oops, what did I click? See if I can get the details. Chrome dot action dot. Yeah, let's relog pop up instead. And why is it saying there's not details or whatever? Okay, this is the promise to fulfill the string containing the URL for the pop-ups document, which is correct. How do I get the details? I returns a promise. On the tab ID, the window ID. Yeah, this doesn't really samples get pop up, then card pop. It works on all of them. Or maybe it's window ID. No. Oh no, I have to supply this? No, this doesn't give me what I want. Yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to do about this. If I get the pop-up URL, I don't think I can use that as who's pop-up ticket. No. Maybe I just get the tab and then because I can just play audio unless it's in the context of a content script or a pop-up, right? So maybe I sent a message from the background to play the audio. But if I do that, I need a I need to get the current tab. Mm, okay. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to think about this. Best way to do this. It's probably just fine doing. How am I gonna do this? Get pop-up doesn't give me the details. I think you're supposed to apply the details. Chrome.get, Chrome dot the browser action. Oh, am I doing the wrong thing? Why do I have action versus browser action? Let me see. Why is this different? Yeah, I think it's now just action. Wait, why does this have Chrome the audio? Control. Nope, okay. Go to action and let's look up. Open pop-up is enabled. Okay. No, yeah, see the okay, let me see if I have something to work off of. So I can inject let's go to let's go to background. I'll read background. Is YouTube, click outside, highlight messaging. Get active tab. No. It's related to I don't really need the URL. So if I can query for the active tab, and we just played in any so if I just get any tab ID, then I can play the sound in it. Let's see. So let's have it here. And let's make it a method. Let's not put a URL. Let's have a current window. Oh, why am I querying twice? Like, oh, if it's not current window, otherwise I guess return nothing. Yeah, okay. There should always be a current window. Otherwise, browser won't be working anyways. You wouldn't be able to see no. Let's see, console, log. So I guess tab ID. I don't know if it's returning the tab or tab ID. Let's await this get active tab. Make this async. And let's go back to what we had previously where we could execute um, execute scripts. Yeah, so Chrome, oops, so we don't have any args. Do we have args? I guess it's the sound. Do we, or do we even need to pass it through? We're not passing it through. Like in this case, we're it's based off of um, I don't know. I don't remember. It doesn't matter. So we assume the tab has a tab ID. Doesn't really matter what this is. The result, we don't need a result value. And let's delete this. We don't need to worry about pop-up or even resolving anything. We don't. So all we're doing is just going play sound, play alarm with the sound. Does not exist on type void. I don't know what this is. We'll see what current window returns first. It'll be maybe, I think it's an array of tab ID values. If I look at, let's go, no, it wouldn't be that. Let's say Chrome dot tab, is it tabs? Chrome dot get active tab, Chrome dot tabs dot query, or tabs dot query. Whether the tabs are audible. Whether the tabs are audible. They're playing sound. Okay. Maybe let's have audible true, maybe? Or should it be false? I don't know. If it's audible, then we could play it, the sound. I don't know. I don't even know if we need args. Yeah, let's find out what this current winner returns first. So let's return our empty object, really. Or no. So if not tab, just return. We'll have to do something else maybe. This could be a solution. And you have, let's go back to, where was it? This dot play sound. Let's see how messed up this gets now. All right. I could probably just test it out. Let's look at, before even going to, I should be able to just like see what, um, this, so let me see. Oh no, okay, let's go back. Oh, really, there's none? Window. Well, okay, this is DevTools, so maybe it is none, but try this again in the pop-up. Okay, so I'm still not seeing a notification. Um, Current window array 0. Okay, let's see if I maybe, let's have audible truth, remove that. Okay, so we have audible false, active true, group ID, muted info, muted false, status complete. Okay, maybe one of them. I don't know what audible means. Oh, audible probably means if there's currently sound playing, maybe. I have to reset this up. You know what? Let's just go back to background and have it set up as 0. And let's set this back to 1 for now. So I don't have to keep going back and forth. and then make changes. Additionally, I don't want to. Oh wait, what is this? Tab tools. I don't know which one this is. Oh, change this to alarm or both. Change to both. Let's see if we get a sound this time. Oh, okay, I forgot the. Okay, so I need permissions for tabs and I need permission for scripting now. Or it is supposed to be active tab. I don't know which one it is. We'll see. No, I don't know if I need active tab. Okay, now 1 minute. Can might just be active tab. I don't really need to know the active tab you're on. Why? Cannot access a URL. Okay, so you have current window and I have the ID. So I return. No, is that tab ID? Yeah, on line 79. Fail. Execute script, target, tab ID, tab ID. Do I need, okay, it says something about argument. Cannot access a Chrome / URL. What? Cannot access a Chrome. What if is it to go to the sound? Oh no, maybe it's like the args. I don't know. Cannot access a Chrome. Maybe, yeah, maybe it's not that. Cannot access a Chrome. Away Chrome's URL. All I'm doing is getting Chrome.runtime, right? So telling me I can't call um, this .runtime. Go back to background and set alert time to both for now. Do not access a Chrome URL. Oh no. Yeah, that's the issue, because there's have ID. No, I don't know then. Honestly, this would need further investigation. AirPods are still like at low 20, 20 to 20, 23 to, and 31. Yeah, okay. What if I just instead of I just try to do it from here? Notifications, and I just go think Chrome.runtime. What if I just have it as source? Okay, it's 123 at I'm not even really keeping an eye on when this starts. Just looking for the notification to show up. Cannot access the Chrome. Why is it showing me this? 983. Okay, so I'm getting the tab, right? Or at least here I'm logging current window, and I get the first one, so and I should get have the ID. Or the URL is Chrome.extensions. Wait. Okay, let me try from a different, maybe different. If I try from this URL, is that why? Maybe I can't go. Oh, yeah, maybe that is why. Because I have it that I have permissions on every page except maybe Chrome extensions pages. Because it's not a HTTPS. That could be it. If you look at manifest, or no, do I? Oh, I don't even have host permissions. I don't think. Ooh, maybe that's why. Okay, great. Now this is no pages. Okay, let me change this. Um, What is it? Host permissions. Is it something? I don't know. Something like this. Okay, so I have tab ID. I don't know what all frames does. I'm not going to save it yet, but injection target all frames. Okay, I don't see an error, but I didn't hear a sound being played. What if I move this and instead play this? I have to probably get the runtime. Otherwise, this is not like a real source. It has to be relative to the Chrome extension path. Oh no. Did I save this or no? Yeah, I don't know what that's going to do. Okay, let's have to wait another minute. Yeah, so I might have to come back and fix this. If we want to be active, but we also, well, based on the current, all the tabs we gather, we want to filter out the ones that aren't muted as well. Otherwise, it won't play audio at all. Still, no. So which tab is this? Active. So this is the Mozilla one. Muted false. And tab ID after tab ID. Audible false. I don't know. The tabs are audible. What does that mean? It doesn't. Let me see. It's producing sound. However, these do not hear the sound if the tab is muted. Okay, it's not producing sound, but that's fine. Yeah, but nothing went from zero, from one to zero. Okay, let me not even do active. Let's just get a any tab. How's it empty? Okay, so what if I just don't? I don't include anything. As an empty object. Since all of them are optional. You want active, don't need to be um yeah, just active and current window should be enough. I don't know if it needs to be current window though. I just want the active tab, I guess. Or maybe it should be current window. Otherwise, how would you access it? It'd be easier to access if it's a current window. We'll do some filtering here, but the notes had an issue when it was, I think, the first one where it was an about that blank page, and I don't have permission for that, but that's fine, I think. And how does that make sense? I would think there's no window, current window. The current window, right? And when I had it off, it gave me all the options. Okay, I don't know, because I'm not getting a sound being played. This sound acted through audible vocals. No sound is being placed. Okay, so it's not muted, so current window at 0 or null. I assume I'm getting tab I haven't checked if I even get to this place. Let's make certain that we are getting. Current window is an array. We get the value at 0. Otherwise, return null. Well, it would always be. Okay, so tab ID, yeah. So I pass in the ID. Um, I don't know what all frames does, but let's assume it's make it true. Hmm. Yeah, something weird. It's not even getting. Okay, execute script. Or is it tabs? Execute script. Okay, no, you have to use. Might as well just add active tab as well. Yeah, let's go back to execute. Red execute script. It takes args. Oh, I forgot to update this. Let's try this to be Chrome.runtime. Get URL. Oh, wait a minute. I think we got it. I heard a sound. So we have wait and see if we get the same sound. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So we're good. We're good. So we can't, I guess, use this. At least I think not. Even though it would be the same thing. Thinking it's because it's not something, but it's not serializable. Because I think it's what was it? So, func. A JavaScript function to inject. This function is serialized and then deserialized for injection. Um, Wait, does that mean? What if I just have this? Because I want to reuse it. I don't want to rewrite it. Because basically, I'm rewriting it here. If I don't hear the sound, then I guess we can just undo this change. Yeah, I guess it's not. It has to be written out like this, which is, I guess, all right. What can we do, man? I don't know why this doesn't work. Yes, we're good. We're resolved. Wait a minute. Okay, if I want to reuse it, why can't I just go? Let me see. All right, my AirPods are dying now, which is perfect timing because we're pretty much done with this. Some cleanup, maybe move this into the. Wait, do I need tabs permission or to? Let's say to query. Uh, Chrome.action.query. Do I need? I wonder if I need both. Chrome.tabs.query. Tabs.query. Okay, let me go back. Okay. Yeah, I guess I need to quit the query that query. Wait, which example? So, okay, let me just do. I guess maybe if I remove the tabs, just keep use the active tab. Am I querying still or no? This this example maybe, but the other ones probably do. Get, or is it talking about this example? Get current tab. Querying for tab doesn't require me to have get the current tab. Oh yeah, that's perfect because you don't have to whatever tabs permission. Whatever, we're good. We're good. We're good. Yeah. So we did what we set out to accomplish. We have a sound, and we show, and well, this is fixes maybe today. It's already 2 a.m. Okay, today sometime, or I don't know. I'll work on a different project, but we leave things as it is. Come back. We want to fix this first. If this changes, we want, yeah, I guess when this opens up, really, on Connect, we want to find the latest key, right? So this key would be, let me show you. Let me show myself, really. Um, Chrome docs. storage. Local.get. Yeah. All right. So we have these two keys, right? Oh, wait, this is. Did I really add values for today? No, this is probably wrong somehow. Why? Yeah, they have duplicate values. Whatever. What I'm trying to say is that on launch, so when you open this is called I think on connect. I check if the key for today's date, which would be oh no, let's go back. Just be able to. Yeah, so today's the 2024/06/21 is in there. If it's there, don't do nothing. But if it's not, so let's say I check not today, tomorrow. I open this extension up tomorrow. I check for this for 2024/06/22 first. If this key is not within storage, then I have to um what would it be? Yeah, create a new key for it. Oh wait, today's the 21st. Okay, maybe there's something else happened here. That was wrong. I'm thinking maybe it's something else where I was like deleting keys and their stuff. Maybe just copy it over. Well, maybe because look, it's now. Yeah, we'll look into it. I want to save it as all not string as a number value. I must have made a mistake somewhere here. I do maybe. Uh, Let me clear all these values first, and then we'll have a clean start. Why can't it be enabled? Okay, we'll come back to that. Maybe you'll always have a new value enabled, but yeah, I guess clearing it is kind of on change. I don't know. You know what? Let's try it again. Maybe that. Chrome. Yeah, at least there's no error this time. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna leave it as it is and make some commits tomorrow. Just when I get like a understanding of how to piecemeal the commits. There's some kind of logic to it instead of just everything. Oh, this is old, so I probably should just close this. Yeah, look how far this has fallen. There was a point I was at 701. Then I had that big, that big error or whatever, and I think people didn't update. Like, because I haven't been forcing people to update. Maybe it's something I had to do. Maybe if I had done that, maybe people just left after that issue, that issue, and they never updated. Because I don't think people actually update the extensions really, unless they shut down their laptop or whatever browser open again. Because some of this stuff, like they update it for you, so I don't know. This one says Bitwarden says it's updated on June 1st or whatever version this is. So that means that's when it was last updated. I didn't receive like an update thing from Bitwarden that showed. This one says it's June 14th. I don't think I got an update thing. So yeah, but I clicked update a lot, I think. Oh, see, this one, I think it showed June 1st first. Now it's second. The only one that updates on its own, I think it's AdBlock. When there's a new update, it'll show like a new option page or whatever, or a new tab page or whatever that shows, oh, whatever. What? Okay, so let's end it this here. As long as there's no console stray console log errors or console logs, it's good to end. It's 3.5 hours again, or close enough. But every point's a learning point. Alright, so it's this error we have to. Oh, it's an error already. Cannot access a Chrome URL. Oh, great. Okay, now because we're on this page, I guess. That's fine. Or maybe not. We'll have to see. Alarm shows up when you're on the Chrome. Wait, I'm picking the first page, right? Okay. Yeah, I have to come back and revisit this. Not at zero. Why is so maybe I try to filter for active. No, maybe not filter for active. Filter for page that you can see played. I don't know if that's the way to do it, but it's working. Or that could be misleading too, where it's like GitHub's playing this water effect, water sound. I'll have to figure out how to do it. There's a better way. I'll leave it like that for now. So two issues, potential issues to fix is like, how do we have the sound play from somewhere else, maybe, and also see if this actually fixed or not, and update their messages. It says just glug 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 or whatever. After that, trying to see if I maybe do a couple little more testing and just release it as it is, or update. Oh wait, log time. Why is this off now? So time, get time. Okay, yeah, let's go back and input classes. Oh, why isn't the time showing? Okay, let me look at the hours. The hours, it's 2 a.m., right? Oh no, do I have to pad the hours as well? Yeah, I guess, okay. Oh man. Yeah, this should also be moved out. Whatever. Leave it as it is. See at 500. I haven't even checked the congratulations screen in a while. Congrats, okay. Still okay. Let's shut this down. And let's also shut this down, the stream.